Hello guys, now that we have a fair amount of understanding of what APIs are, about API testing and Postman, let us now proceed with installation of Postman so that we can experiment with the tool. So let us quickly move to the browser, Google the query Postman download, and let's move to the official Postman website to their downloads page. So this is the download page and we see that we get an option to download the app. Since the machine that I'm using is Windows, it has automatically shown me the option to download the app for Windows machine. You can also explicitly select the machine that you're working on by clicking on these options for macOS and Linux. The procedure to download and install the app on different OS will also be similar and pretty straightforward. So I'll just show you the demo for the Windows machine that I'm working on. So I click on the download the app button and we select the version that we want. Mine is a Windows 64-bit, so I select that and we see that the download has started over here. Once the download is finished, I say open and it starts to install the Postman. And that's it, it has installed the Postman. You can now explore the tool by yourself.